On the passenger side of the trunk, if you peel back this liner here, you can see this bracket that holds the antenna. Remove these two 10mm bolts. Take the bracket out. Now simply remove it from the other side. Just push this rubber grommet through. Pull it up. Pull this up and out of the way. There we go. Slide that off. Now with two pliers, I'm going to use one and hold the base of it right here. And the other one, I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew the antenna mast. Okay, I'm going to try a different grip here. Okay. This one is really tight, probably because it's rusted on the threads there. Yep. Okay. You're going to want to clean up these threads. Now if you had your new antenna mast, you would take it and, of course, like I said, clean up the threads here with a wire brush, and then just go ahead and screw this on. Let's snug it up with some pliers. Okay, now that it's snug, let's reinstall it. Pull the wire through, slide on this rubber grommet. Make sure that this gets fully seated down here. Now you can take this and simply slide it down into position. And make sure that this gets pressed down all the way so that it seals up, prevents water from going into the trunk. Give it a couple twists as you're pressing. That should lock it in, and that just locked in, so that's perfect. These two grooves here will line up with two little rivets on the antenna. Make sure you set those into place. Snug these two bolts up. Put back the liner, and you should be all set.